demo of desire.co.uk. This is our first stage product, an early iteration, and I thought I would take you through what we have. So this is currently our homepage. We are actually currently going through the motions of updating this to give more context about Desire, about what and why, but for now it's a display of reviews. So as you can see, we currently have 895 users and 398 reviews. So first up we have latest reviews. Now this displays the 10 most recent reviews, so from left to right, and we can see that Beth has recently uploaded 2 reviews of different brands, and you can see different people going along. Then we scroll down to look at our picks. Now these are reviews chosen by admin to feature on the homepage. At the moment I align it with the current posts that we have on our social media page. We scroll down and we have reviews for you. This is decided by who you follow, your body shape and who has a similar body shape to you, your size and your height, as well as the recency. So recency plays some relevancy into this as well. And then we get to the bottom and we see top reviews. So when people decide to upvote a review as helpful, it can rank you in the top review. So this is the top most helpful review apparently on Desire. So we open it up, we can see a photo here, and she's included a screenshot as well to what the product looked like on the website. Here we have got the item name. She gave it a fit rating of 2 and a quality rating of 2, which gave it an overall rating of 2 out of 5. As you can see, we've reimagined the 5-star review system into a circle segment rating. So this is because we wanted to differentiate ourselves from the traditional reviews platform, because we are different, we are more socially driven. The segments could represent each of the 5 body shapes, as well as different communities of women coming together to form one. It's also reminiscent of the planet, which is always on our mind whenever we make changes to Desire, because at the end of the day, our ultimate goal is to reduce returns, which reduces the amount of pollution made within the fashion industry. Moving on, we can see that we've got the brand name here, ASOS, the size that she ordered, 16, whether or not it was kept or returned, so she returned it, and a price of £12.50. And here is her review. So she's essentially saying it looked great, the bottoms fit well, but the top was far too big. She then includes hashtags to help with the search, and here for other users can vote whether or not it was helpful. So I voted that it was helpful because it showed that if you were to buy it, you should probably size down with the tops. There is a see in shop button attached that if I did want to buy it, I could go through there, and I can also share it to my Facebook page. We also have a report button where people can report if they have a problem with the review, for instance, if there was indecent photo or brand slander. Here we can see mid-size magpie. We can see her actual profile. So this is like a taster of her profile. I can decide to follow her if I want to. And it shows her body shape, which is something that people answer upon signing up. And it shows her usual top size. So she did order her usual size, the bottom size, and her height, as well as her shoe size. So these details all help me to know whether or not her review is relevant to me. So I'm actually a pear shape, so for bottoms it might be relevant, but for tops probably not relevant to me. At the bottom we have similar reviews, so typically along here it's about the item. So we've got play suits, jumpsuit, play suit, jumpsuit again, so it's all kind of relevant stuff there. So I'm going to show you how to add a review now. Just click add a review and then click on add photos. So I'm just going to add all of those in. And there we have it. I know they're very similar photos, but I'm going to review the top. So I bought this recently from ASOS. So I'm just going to copy and paste the name for ease so that people know exactly what it's called. Yes, and I'll add the main tag will be a top, and then we have sub tags here. So it's a cardigan. It's for summer occasions, maybe even festivals, and it is green. Just descriptive words. Obviously you can scroll down if you need prompts, but that's pretty much what I would say is suitable. Then the product link, so I've already got it up, and it just helps other people to find it. I did in fact order a size 8. And I decided to keep it. So I ordered this cardigan. So it fit me really well. I'll give it a 4 though, because it wasn't perfect. And the quality, again, probably a 4. Add review. Cool, so now my review's been added. We can see all of the photos and we have all of the details below. Now that I've got some extra desire points, I'm going to go onto the competition page, and I can see win a handmade crochet top and a pair of earrings from the brand Grace Kelly Create. So, oh, there we go, the picture's popped up. We actually link to the brand's website as well, so she requested that we link to her Instagram page because she wants to grow her following. She collaborated with us because she wants to grow her audience and reach new people. So she's offering a handmade crochet top and a pair of earrings. We have the description down below here, telling people how to enter and the terms. And we've got 7 people currently entered in the competition, and winners will be announced on the 18th of March. I know this might be different in America. Entry fee is 8 desire points. So when you actually upload a review, you earn desire points. So if you upload a review without a link, you earn 5. And if you upload a review with a link to where you bought it from, you get 10. You can also earn 1 desire point for every helpful upvote you give, and you can earn 20 desire points if you refer someone new. Now I can click join again if I want to up my stakes of winning the competition. So I've participated with 16 points now, so that means I have 2 entries and have more chance of winning. Of course, I can't win my own brand's competition, so I will exclude myself later on. Here we've got some past competitions too with all of the brands we've collaborated before. Day is actually a huge brand, as is Moon Cup, and Juco kitted out Team GB Paralympics in 2019, so all really impressive stuff. And the rest have tended to be growing businesses who have just wanted to collaborate with us because they wanted to be associated with our brand. We have our About page as well, which is basically our initial website that we did before we actually launched, just to get sign-ups to a mailing list and tell people exactly what it is that we are about. Now I'm going to take you to the profile page, so I can actually upload a profile picture. Other users wouldn't be able to see my email address. It's only me and the admin who can do that. So I'll just use this as my profile picture for ease. Yeah, perfect. Click save. So that's my username, Nina_admin is how I log in. That's my date of birth, where I'm from. This helps because if I was to change it, then it would change your sizes as well, which is super helpful. So that's my size in US, but I'm from the UK, so I want to see everyone else's sizes in my size too. So if I click Save Changes, I will take you through the body shape quiz as well. So it asks you what size you are normally. So I'm a size 8 in tops and a size 10 in bottoms. My shoe size is 5.5. My height is 170 centimetres, and then we get into the actual body shape questions. So my hips are a bit wider, and it is my upper thigh that is the widest part. So my body shape is pear, which is correct, and I choose to share this with other users to help them find items. So yeah, that's all that. You can see your kept and returned articles. So obviously I did my recent review and I kept it, and I can see how many desire points I have on my profile here too. If I were to have followers, it would show here, but this is my admin account, so I don't actually have any followers. I will take you a bit more through the functionality. So we have a filter here. You can filter by minimum rating because people might just want to see the good stuff. You can filter by your body shape to find more relevant reviews that will fit you, or your height, because for instance, if you're looking for a skirt, you probably want to filter by height for relevancy. Tags, so again, skirt, 170. I'm a size 10, so I want to know that. And off we go. So these are all of the skirt reviews which are actually relevant to me. So we've got 5 here that I can pick through at the moment. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for the demo today. If anybody has any questions, I will leave my email address at the bottom of the screen so you can reach out and ask. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you go and sign up to Desire.